Reading for the sign of Pisces, all that you need to know about your person. Okay, so let's start. Happy New Year, and I hope you guys are doing well. Currently, some of you could have possibly dropped a past situation. You look at it as rather a missed opportunity or a gone opportunity. With Five of Cups, you have done crying over it. Okay, some of you might still be conflicted as to why it all happened, but majorly you are done with it. Okay, one card for what else is happening in your life currently, Pisces. If you were down and depressed in the past regarding the relationship, then I see you being in a much better energy. Okay, what else do you see coming up in Pisces life currently? Right now with Knight of Wands, many of you guys are back to dating or will be. If it's not that, if it's not you, then I see someone very much interested in you. It could either be a fire or an air sign. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, this person is sexually very attracted to you, and this could start very soon if it's not started yet. Okay, what else do you see coming up? With the sun in the reverse, some of you do not have much clarity regarding a situation that you want to know about. Okay, you also feel out of balance. The sun in the reverse is feeling bit out of balance. You may also feel there is lack of happiness in your life. Okay, I mean, yes, when you let go of a past situation, or you're letting go, or you're possibly not getting what you are wanting from a situation, it kind of makes you feel bad, right? It kind of like sets you out of balance. So just give it few more, or like couple of weeks, and then things will get back to normal. Okay, what else do we see coming up in Pisces life currently? With the moon card, I definitely feel some of you right now may not exactly want to reveal yourself or open up or get very social. You may want to keep a very low profile for the next couple of weeks because you are not very much energetically available. Okay, yes, you may be open to dating, but not exactly completely going out for dates and shit. Okay, you may want to communicate and stuff, but not completely. Okay, so regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? Regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? Okay. Regarding your soulmate with Seven of Wands, I believe in the past they had taken a step back. Even now they have their walls up. This person hasn't completely opened up about their true feelings, intentions, nothing. The reason why you're so messed up is because you haven't got that sort of closure from your person. They have been behaving all, suspicious, I would rather say. With Seven of Pentacles, they are still wanting to wait. They are not really wanting to make a decision based on this connection. How are they wanting to come forward towards you? How are they wanting to come forward? Okay, we have a card. With Nine of Wands, this person is still holding back. Okay, I see stagnancy when it comes to your energy dealing with your soulmate. This person has literally stepped back. Okay, you may not have heard from this person. Some of you have not got a message from this person, but this person is still waiting. They haven't given up, but they are not also giving in. So it's making you feel terrible, right? No answer, no closure, no nothing. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, what are their true feelings towards you? Pisces soulmate, how do they truly feel for Pisces for the next couple of weeks? Okay. Right now we have the Empress and Page of Swords. I believe this person currently is very focused on themselves. Okay, it's not you, it's something to do with them. Okay, they are not very ready for this relationship, like not willing. Okay, with Star card they are focused on healing. I got like similar energy for another sign, I do not know which. Give me one more card for how are they feeling about when they miss you, they think of you, Pisces soulmate. With Eight of Cups, darling, this person is literally emotionally distant from you. There could have been a small breakup in the past. This person is still very much at a distance. Okay. With Six of Cups in the reverse, in the past, this person could have said lot many hurtful things to you. They started behaving rude and shit. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune, I don't think they have completely walked away, but yes, they are at a distance. Okay, in terms of their intentions, how do they truly feel and what do they intend towards this connection? What are they wanting to do towards this connection? One card for their intentions towards you. Okay, in terms of intention as well, this person wants to keep things at a standstill, at a pause, literally. This person is putting the whole situation on a pause. Okay, one card for what action are they wanting to take in the coming weeks? What action they possibly want to take towards the coming week, please? In terms of coming week, I do see them wanting to come forward, but they'll take time. Okay, this is not going to happen fast. This may come. This person may come in the next week. That is, I would say, sixth or seventh onwards. As of now, this person is making no move towards you. They are watching you definitely with the Hanged Man here. They're keeping a watch on you. They are trying to behave all defensive and shit. But at the same time, they're also watching you. What is currently blocking them? What is currently blocking them? What is currently blocking Pisces soulmate from coming to? Okay. There has been an ending in the past, and there has been no closure. You guys ended things on a very bad note, or they did not really reach back, and you did not really try to fix things, and it is literally at the same place it always was. With Six of Pentacles, this connection is out of balance. For selected few of you, few, I won't say all, this person was giving into another relationship. There was a small third party interference. Not for all, maybe for 20% of you. 80%, I think your person doesn't want to come forward. Okay, one more card. Why are they not wanting to come forward? What's the main reason that is possibly getting in the way? Judgment card, they need to make a decision, darling. Okay, they literally need to make a decision. And with the Devil card, some of your like your person has certain addictions. It could be staying too focused on the past, not really letting the past go, or still wanting to possibly hold on to the past grudges. Okay, that could also be the Devil card. Or it could be your person is a sex addict. Okay, they cannot commit to a person, and they are not ready for you. Okay, so take what resonates in your case. One more card for it. Yeah, with Ace of Wands in the reverse, this person, I would say, wasn't ready for recommitting to you, or possibly reconciling back with you. Okay, reconnecting. No, they were not ready. They were possibly delaying the situation, not giving in, not answering to your messages. Okay, this could go vice versa. So don't really get affected if you are a cross watcher. Okay, so one card for what can you possibly expect from them now? What can you possibly expect from them? With Five of Pentacles, your reading has been the saddest reading, to be very honest. This person is ghosting you, okay? And this person will ghost you for a while. At least this week, do not really expect much, okay? But what are they up to? Why are they doing this? What's the Pisces soulmate up to? With Queen of Wands, darling, this person might have kept their options open. Okay. With Nine of Cups, I also see them giving into their dreams, their goals, their wishes. Your person can be very selfish, like currently giving into their own life, focusing on their own life, focusing on themselves. If it's not that, it could be that your person is still keeping their options open. Okay. The reason why they are not coming forward is possibly because they could have had multiple options. Okay, and they are not very sure as to what to do, because they know if they come towards you, they'll have to fix things with you, and they won't have to they won't have a chance to go back again. Okay, so one card for where this is going now. With Page of Swords, I believe you both are stalking each other but not talking. Okay. With Nine of Swords, this connection has literally brought you down. The reason why you're so out of balance is because your person isn't giving in. Neither they are telling you whether you should walk away, quit, or move on to another better connection. Okay. With the Empress card, you both might be focused on your own self at the current moment. And the advice would also be to focus on your own self and don't really give in or beg for anyone's attention. If someone is not willing to give you attention, it is best for you to focus on yourself, respect yourself enough to possibly stay away or walk away. Okay, one card for what do they want from you currently? What do they possibly want from you? With Three of Wands, darling, I would say that this person, as of now, is not really wanting much. They are wanting distance. They are really wanting this to be at a pause, at a standstill. They are not ready for this connection. At least for the next 1 week, I do not see shit. Okay. Two of Pentacles, they're basically balancing their life, or they're juggling you with some other like couple of options. Okay, the eight of Swords, they are clearly not ready for you. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person. Okay, we have one card. I see and want you as a friend. For some of you, your person wants you as a friend now. That is very insulting, right? One more card. I still want you is another message. So they might not want to completely let go of you. I still want you is a message, is possibly a clarifier rather. Okay. You are not the problem, I have my own blockages. You are not the problem, I have my own blockages is the last message. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Pisces. I give realistic readings, I'm not a sugarcoating reader. Whatever I see, I'm going to say to you, whether you like it or not. So if it resonates with you, consider hitting the like button. If you want to get a personal reading from me, please do reach out on my website. Happy New Year to all of you, and I hope the year starts well for you. And please do not give in into toxic situation. You deserve better, much better. Cheers, darling.